Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix if selfies are mirrored on iPhone. So first of all, go ahead to your browser, okay? And scroll a little bit down right here. And if you want to turn off your face mirror, what you're going to do, turn off face selfie that captures the shot as you see it in the camera frame. Go to the settings, camera, then turn off the mirror front camera on supported models. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to my settings and I'm going to just scroll a little bit down until I find the camera app. So basically, it's like an app. You can just go ahead and find it separately. And I'm going to just go ahead right here to the camera, right? And basically, you're going to find out that there's a lot of tools right here, from recording a video to recording your own camera. And here you're going to be able to see the composition, right? And you're going to be able to see grid, level, and the last one, which is mirror front camera. And probably you turn it on. So if you turn it on, just go ahead and toggle it off so you can turn off the mirror front camera feature, right? But if you're still facing that same issue, what you're going to do, go ahead to the settings and then just go ahead to the general. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and scroll a little bit down, transfer or reset iPhone, and then click reset. And then you're going to be able to see a new window, reset all settings. And meaning by that, and I mean by that is, I mean by that, you will need to actually reset all of your settings. Probably there's something wrong with the some settings that you might set in the past. So basically, just go ahead and reset all of your iPhone, and basically you're gonna be able to get back to the camera again, and then go ahead and turn it off again, right? Probably they leave it iPhone, they leave it automatically on, and they leave the mirror front camera on, so you will need to get back to it and turn it off again. Same goes, same old, go ahead to the camera, and then you're going to be able to find it in the composition. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.